If you struggle with what to pack on vacation, I want you to try this. Number one, grab a pen and a piece of paper because you're going to write down every single day of your trip, and you're going to write down each day's activities, paying particular attention to any activities that require a wardrobe change. And once you have this list, you're going to be able to determine exactly how many outfits you need to pack for your trip. Next, you're going to pull out one of the pieces you know you want to take with you on your trip, and you're going to pair it up in as many ways as possible. As you create each outfit pairing, you're going to then take a photo of that outfit and keep it on your phone. And once you've exhausted ways that you want to pair up that item, then you're going to move on to the next item and pair it up in multiple ways too. Don't forget to add your shoes and accessories. Then when you have enough outfits to cover every single day and activity on your trip, you're all set to go. All you got to do is pack and enjoy your vacation. If you'd like my help with your packing, then you can go to outfitformulas.com/pack because I've got a free packing list for you that's going to cover weekend getaways for all 4 seasons.